Good afternoon, fellas. Here we are back again with the 2GS. I know you may be getting tired of seeing this thing. I didn't think it'd take this long to get everything going either, but Nox Archaeist drops on the 12th, and we have to be ready for that. So, still having a little trouble with the Transwarp GS. But I got some parts on the way, so we'll worry about that later. Once the thing warms up, it'll start booting alright. So we'll just deal with it for now. Yeah, it's out there. It crashed again. It'll go here in a second. I reflowed some solder joints back there on the some of the connectors and stuff like that, and a couple other places, and it's working a lot more reliably now, but there's still something going on. In preparation for Nox Archaeist, we're going to have to get this Phasor there. It booted fine. We're going to have to get this Phasor working right. If you recall, before it was making a bunch of noise and stuff, and it turns out that the problem was it only gets really noisy when I plug the jumper wire from the motherboard audio into this header for it on the card, and then the output of both gets really overdriven and shitty. If I just plug this thing straight into a speaker without having the motherboard audio connected to the board here, it sounds fine. So that's interesting. I have some theories on that subject, but I don't care to speculate because I'm not an analog guy. So yeah, this is going to be a redo. I did something else to begin with, but I made some mistakes calculating some gain values, and I also put the components on the wrong side of this board, so I'm not even going to go into that. It was very stupid, and yeah. Okay, so looking at the schematic and confirmed by listening to it through the headphones, this Phasor is actually a stereo sound card. I figured it just generated all of the voices monoraily and then split it into two channels post-amplification, but that is not the case. So if we're going to be driving a single speaker with it, we're going to have to mix both the left and the right channels together as well. That is something that I was not anticipating. I removed that headphone jack and soldered in this 3-pin header here instead. Had to do a little bit of funny business on the back to get the ground in there, but then made this cable that'll plug into the card on one end, and it'll plug into our mixer device on the other end, and we'll mix the left and right channels together. So alright, well, once again I put the components on the wrong side. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking, and apparently I also forgot to film the thing on the breadboard, but whatever. Let's plug the son of a bitch together and see if anything explodes. It'll fit, even if the components are on the wrong side. Now, are we going to get a bloop? I may still need to adjust the volume on some of this stuff, so it may be overdriven or shitty or something. Well, that doesn't sound terrible. It sounds better than it did when I was running the audio into the Phasor. I hear a little bit of clipping there on the bass, I think. Hear that? Well, that's not bad. We can make do, I think. There's the onboard audio. Okay, there's the Mockingboard music. There's the contraption. The audio quality is not lovely, but it's just an LM386. I don't have anything better than that. Now let's see how this bastard sounds through all this junk. Same as it did. No, actually that sounds a little bit better. It's not quite as distorted. Yeah, alright, cool. Well, I think we're ready. Excuse me. I think we're ready for Noxarcast to drop now. Yay. Alright. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.